Today I'd like to introduce the video generation and show you how it works in real creation flow. You start by uploading a product video or simply pasting a link. As long as the content is in, Nemo automatically analyzes it and identifies the key elements in a video, including the product itself, or the scenes, or any kind of characters on the screen. All of these elements are editable, so you can always have a control on it. Next, you choose which key element you want to appear as the main subject in the video. Based on that selection, Nemo automatically generates multiple story-style shots. After confirming the first frame, you can tell Nemo how you want the video to feel, what to emphasize or what to adjust, and Nemo updates vision accordingly. Once you're happy with generated shots, you can simply confirm them and render everything directly to the timeline. From there, you can move into post-editing, fine-tuning timing, adjusting visuals, adding text, or applying filters if needed. When everything looks right, you export the video. Your AI-generating video is now fully editable, polished, and ready to be published across different platforms. That's how Nemo Video Generation transforms your idea into high-converting videos, no raw clips needed.